Safety during and after cyclones. Safety during cyclones. When the cyclone strikes, disconnect all electrical appliances. Stay in touch through your battery radio for updates. Stay inside the house in the strongest part of the building. Be ready with the evacuation and emergency kits. Protect by covering yourself with quilts, rugs or blankets under a strong table or bench if the building starts cracking. Safety after cyclone. Do not go outside till it is declared safe. Do not switch on the electrical appliances if wet. Listen to local radio for official warnings and advice. If you have evacuated the home after the order of authority, do not return until advised. Be careful of fallen power lines, damaged buildings and trees, and do not go near the flood waters.